Hello, my dear friends. Have you got eye problems like myopia or hypermetropia, which is farsightedness or nearsightedness, or astigmatism or cataract, strabismus or glaucoma, or you feel that your eyesight is deteriorating? You have dry eyes, you can't work on the computer for a long time because you feel like headache and tension. I understand you very well. My name is Fedor Simonov, and I am the author of the Natural Eyesight Recovery System, iDiamond. I help myself to recover my eyesight, and I also help my students to solve these problems. I've been doing this for many years, and my students are all over the world practice the integrated method, which is called iDiamond. And I encourage you to join my workshop in Basel, which is going to be very soon. On June 1 there will be a lecture, and from June 2 to 3 there will be a workshop, so you are welcome to join my workshop. What results you can get if you join the workshops? So first of all, you will learn how to recover your eyesight naturally without pills or surgery, with the result of 0.25 up to 1 dioptry per month if you practice not less than 30 minutes a day. How is it possible? Because on the workshop you will learn new healthy body habits and new healthy vision habits, which will also allow you to recover in the automatic way. Which means that first you invest your time, you invest your energy in how to apply those habits, and then those habits will work for you. So you are please welcome to join. We will work on the posture, because the posture is dramatically important for good eyesight. We will work on the balanced nutrition. We will train the coordination between the eyes, because sometimes you have the lazy eye and dominant eye, and you will learn how to deal with it. We will work on your stress tolerance, because all that you should do is to relax your eyes, your mind, and to get them together so they could be like friends, and we will put your mind, soul and body and eyes together. So you're welcome to join my workshops. See you. Cheers.